Okay, after feeding, she's got the hiccups. And she's very alert. Not sure what she's looking at over here though.